Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will be moving forward with the next topic, that is physiology, right? So we have been doing Porifera from the last two videos now. In the first video we had studied about the general characteristics of the phylum Porifera, right, in which we had studied what happens in Porifera, what type of coelom, what type of body plan, what type of symmetry, segmentation, what type of endoskeleton, all these things we have studied, right? In the next video we have studied about the water canal system and also a few points about the water vascular system, right? So in this video beta, we will be moving forward to a whole new inside portions of the Porifera. That means we will be studying the physiology, how the physical factors, for example, their digestion, excretion, right? All these physiology means what is going on inside their body, how and which systems are responsible for that. So how are the digestion, respiration, excretion, circulation, nervous system, how are they represented, how are they present inside their body, what functions are they doing, etc, etc. Entire video will be devoted to just the physiology part. Okay, so let's get started. The first point is digestion beta. So what happens in digestion? Because in the previous video, in the first video of Porifera, I already told you that digestion and this respiration and this excretion, these three things, very important, and all of them are done by the water canal system. There is no specific digestive system present inside the bodies of the poriferans. Okay, so what happens? The digestion, you can say the digestive system is absent, totally absent. And beta, whenever we started the phylum Porifera, I told you that they have which level of organization? They have cellular level of organization. That means they just have cells inside their body. They do not have any tissues, they do not have any organs, they do not have any organ system. So what are they having? They are having just cells, right? So if just the cells are present inside their body, so what will happen beta? Digestion is already being done by the water canal system only. There is no specific digestive system present. So as soon as the food enters inside their body, the food will go inside the cells. And then which cellular digestion takes place? Inter or intra? Intra-digestion. Intracellular digestion will take place. Intracellular means the food, when it will come inside the body of the Porifera, it will directly go inside the cells, and there the digestion process will begin. It will start. So it takes place inside the cells. Fine. And extracellular digestion takes place in human beings. For example, in our body, what happens beta? In our body, as soon as we take in the food, it goes through the esophagus. First it is churned in the mouth, then it goes to the esophagus, then stomach, the small intestine, large intestine. All these things are taking place, right? So that presentation of food going from one organ to another is extracellular, and later on the amino acids, fats, proteins, lipids, all of them are going inside the cells. So that is extracellular. We don't have to study that right now. I'm just telling you about intracellular. Intracellular means the food is coming inside the body, and when it is reaching inside the body, it goes directly to the cells, and inside the cells the digestion is taking place. That's it. Fine. Next, respiration. No specific respiratory organ is present inside their body. Nothing is present for respiration. So how is respiration taking place beta? Through again water canal system. Through water canal system. Okay, this is a very important PPT beta which we have studied in the previous video. Water canal system, very important. Then next comes circulation beta. So for circulation, what we have studied, they have special cells. Which cells? Choanocyte cells, right? And they have what? They have flagella, which helps in the movement of water, right? So what will happen? Through that only the circulation, water will circulate inside their body, but any other specific circulatory system, it is totally absent. It is not there. Then excretion beta. So previous classes में आपने पढ़ा होगा बेटा, there are three modes through which an organism is excreting. Either the byproduct or the excretory product is uric acid, it is urea, or it is ammonia, right? Urea Those who are releasing urea, they are known as ureotelic organisms. Those who are excreting uric acid, they are uricotelic organisms. And those who are excreting ammonia, they are ammonotelic organisms. So beta, poriferans, they do not have an excretory system, but they release ammonia as the excretory product. So they will be called as ammonotelic. They will be called as ammonotelic organisms. They will be called as ammonotelic organisms. That means they release ammonia as their excretory product. And who all release ammonia beta? Those who need large amount of water. So already they are present in water only, they are aquatic. I told you in the habitat we will be studying the general characteristics. So that is why what will happen? Ammonia, unko koi tension nahi hai. They are not at all worried that what will happen if you lose that much amount of water. There are no worries because they are already present in water and they do not have to care that they need less water or more water. They have plenty of water and that is the reason they are releasing ammonia and they are known as ammonotelic organisms. Fine. Next, nervous system is totally absent. Fine. Then comes a reproduction beta. So reproduction, what will happen? In water canal system, when I was teaching you the water canal system, we had studied beta that in water canal system there is one important feature which is not present in the water vascular system. That was what? Remember, it was reproduction, right? That water canal system helps in reproduction. How? I told you in that slide also that reproduction is taking place because of the water canal system. How come? Because the gametes, they are made to move inside the body of the poriferans with the help of what? Water canal system. Right? Due to that reasons, the gametes are able to flow and due to that what will happen? The reproduction process is possible. Fine? But what happens here beta? Sexes are not separate. That means the male and the female organs, reproductive organs, they are present in a single individual. If they are present in a single individual, the term which is given to them is hermaphrodite. Right? That means they are monoecious. Right? That one body is having both male and female organs. Fine? Both reproductive organs are present in single organism. Right? So which type of reproduction will take place here? Sexual or asexual? Both. Sexual also and asexual also. But in asexual beta, which particular asexual reproduction takes place here? I will say it is fragmentation. It is fragmentation. Okay? It is fragmentation. Then fertilization beta, next point. Internal fertilization takes place, right? Nothing is external here, only internal fertilization taking place. Then development beta, development is indirect because they have to pass through many larval stages. They have to pass through many larval stages. Fine? So they have to pass through many larval stages. That is the reason they are said that it is having indirect development. Fine. Now examples, it is given in the NCERT also. Cycon, also called as Skypha. Then Euspongia, common bath sponge, and Spongilla is freshwater sponge. Okay. So this is up. We are summing up the Porifera here. So I have made a specific amount of 3 videos for specifically Porifera. In the first one beta we have done the general characteristics. In the second one we have done just focused on the water canal system, and in the third one we have done the physiological features. Okay. So if you have any doubt regarding this beta, you can put down in the comment section below. Any problem, anything you want to discuss, you can put down in the comment section. Okay. Whenever I'll be finding your questions, your doubts, I'll be happy to solve them. Right. So do not worry that you're posting it online, any doubt. Nothing to worry at all. You can post it, whatever you feel like, you can ask me there. And Porifera is completed. Now in the next video we will be moving forward better with the new slides, with the new videos of the other phylums which are left. Right? So any doubt you can ask, right? Until then, stay tuned for the next video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, beta, and share this video as much as possible with your class 11 buddies, right? So stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.